Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul (URWB) is a new generation of wireless technology and lets us achieve like a fiber performance for mission critical applications like 5G ultra reliable latency communications. It features ultra low latency to enable the most demanding real-time application. Like a fiber, it offers like ultra reliable broadband connectivity. So it's easy to deploy and maintain, operate, making it an ideal choice for the IT or OT backhaul. The lab will have three Catalyst IW9165EB units interconnected with the Phoenix variable attenuator. The devices are reset to factory default setting for Unit A and Unit C. The DHCP server on the switch is configured to assign the 192.18.121 for the Unit A and 23 for Unit C. The DHCP server is not available for the Unit B, so it uses a fallback IP like 0.10 here, 0.10. Units are added to the corresponding industrial wireless IW service lab account. So the IW monitor software is deployed as a Docker container on the Ubuntu here on the Ubuntu Docker VM. First job is to fix configuration via the IW service with one of the units in offline mode. So this lab are configured two Catalyst IW9165E devices right here to work in fixed mode. So both devices have been reset to the factory default settings. So all URWB device access points can be configured using a local web interface, a web UI, for any web browser in offline mode, from the access point command line, or from the IW service. The IW stands for Industrial Wireless Service. Is a secure, here is a secure, cloud native, and is a scalable service to provision and manage industrial wireless device. The Catalyst 9167, 9165, 9165D access points, and IEC 6400 gateway, they all operate in Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul URWB mode. The IW service also lets us to configure and upgrade the firmware of a connected device remotely. This IW service supports the offline configuration deployment for what we call the air gap mode. And I can download the configuration files from the IW. There's a configuration file from this IW service inventory table, and it will upload them to each of the device without connecting it to the cloud. A configuration file can contain configuration for multiple devices based on their serial number. Okay, serial number, just for simply deployment. So to configure this backhaul device wireless in online or cloud management mode, the device must have a stable internet connection when a configuration is pushed to the device through the cloud. So for the purpose of this step, unit A is configured to get IP 1 dot it's a 190A, I believe, dot 1A dot 1.21/24. I believe this IP will have internet connectivity. So this is my online mode. In offline mode, internet connectivity is not required. So the device configuration is edited using the IWAP service. The configuration is then saved as a, you say, dot iwconfig file, and we'll upload it to device through the local administrator interface. For this lab, so we'll have a unit C. Sorry, the unit B is now unable to get IP via DHCP, so there's no IP, no DHCP. So for this, its fallback IP is this one. This IP, and it will be used as an example of offline mode configuration. We'll upload it to it. Okay. So I'm gonna to let you know how to configure the fixed network as used in the various vertical markets, such as like a smart cities, mining ports, and many others. The fixed infrastructure links are default modes of operation for wireless radios and are commonly used in deployments where access points are not moving. Okay, so we'll talk about how to configure the Catalyst IW9165E radios in the fixed mode. Fixed mode. So first step, we'll have to create a template. Next, we'll have a group to assign the template to the group. Okay, and we're gonna assign the device IW9165E AP to the group. We'll have AP to the group. The next time we'll have to configure some additional parameters not to the group, not in the group, and we're gonna to push the configuration into the unit. For example, here is unit A. We'll push the unit A from the crowd. I will download the configuration from the IW. Is download from IW service for the unit B, for the B unit. Okay, and upload it to this device. On the inventory page here, I have 3 devices assigned to the IW service account. The mesh IDs and the serial numbers can differ from the screenshots right in here. These are different. So all assigned devices that are in provisioning mode, and the 2 of the device like unit A, this AP, and unit C got their IP address via the DHCP and have internet connectivity. Is online. Unit C also online. you will see the status is online, and the third device, like unit B, does not have internet connectivity, so this status shows offline. Click the configuration and templates. Here you go. We have to create a template. We're going to give it a name, my fixed. Pick a port ID as IW9165. The general will make sure the general toggle switch is on, and indicating that all configured parameters will be applied, right? And the next is with the mode we want to use excluded. Local IP will be excluded from this template. The local mask, local gateway, local DNS, and the local DNS. Now, go to wireless radio. We'll make sure the general toggle is on, and all these features will be applied. And passphrase, keep scrolling down. Make sure the name here is excluded. Keep going down. Smart license. Make sure it's disabled. Well, we're gonna click next. Here's the summary page. We will click create. Now go to configuration and groups. We're gonna create a new group. Pick the right product. The group name, the template we just created. Click next. Next step, we'll configure and create a group wizard. All the settings will be inherited from the one we selected, my fixed template. So here I can also adjust some parameters which should be group specific. We're gonna click next and review the configuration and click create. Now we have a group. We'll go to inventory. Here we'll want to pick unit A and unit B. Okay, unit B, A and B. Here we're gonna pick A and pick B. We're going to assign add to the group. So here we're going to pick a product ID again. IW95 9165E B. Okay, this is my group, my fixed group. Then give it next. Now we'll assign them to the group. Here you see the group is assigned except the unit C. Let's click unit A's name. Go to configuration. Here we'll add it. We're going to change some of the configurations. In the general, the mode is mesh point. We'll use mesh end. Mesh end and local IP. We're configuring the local IP 21. Go to local default gateway. And find the smart license. The level we're gonna pick is Premier and save it. Review Unit A configuration in the IW service. I can see what changed on radio from the last heard configuration. Here, this is how we change it. Watch radio. Okay. Smart license. We're going to click IoT OD configuration and push IoT OD configuration. Let's confirm this. I get a push configuration successful message, then click OK. Here we go back to the inventory. Let's click unit B. We want to edit also. Measures the mesh point. We'll give it local IP. Local mask. Sorry, local default gateway. Click save. This is how we configure this. Now go to inventory again. We have noticed unit A becomes online also. So select unit B. Here we're gonna to download selected. So I'll wait until I get the pop-up with a button to download this configuration. We'll take several minutes. So do not close this download, right? At this point, it's just loading, can stop spinning. Now, okay, I can just download. After some time, this is gonna download, right? Let's close this. Logging in to Unit B fallback button here, see? IP is this one. I configured it. This one. Unit A is online. Now I have the file. The file is a called IW conf file. So I download it from IW. Okay, called IW config. Okay, we're gonna to log into this IP and do something here. So the file is right here. After 2 minutes, I will be redirected to the login page, and I just log in. After the successful login, the device will ask to change the host name, sorry, username, password. Don't enter anything, like I already do it. I can see it now in offline mode. Let's click IW service. We want to browse, and we want to select this IW config file we download from the IW service. Let's upload. After successful upload, we want to apply. The device will reboot and will be available via assigned IP. I believe is this IP now. I will pause my video till it's come back. Here you go. I can open the new IP for Unit B. I'm here logging in with Unit A right now. Unit A.21. I can see the device is mesh end and has parameters I configured via the IW service. Every device has a few tools to help with troubleshooting. One of them is embedded antenna alignment tool, which helps to align the antennas properly and the pointer to the end of the device. So we're going to click antenna alignment, and the stat link is supposed to be here. So I'll get a page with all connected radios. Let's click align. In a real life deployment, signal strength graph can help to find the best position for the antenna in here, right? And a useful page is the status. I'll click this link. It shows device status. You can also get logs and download the diagnostics log. So every mesh end device has embedded QuadRO software, which allows me to visualize the topology and check the radio link. We're gonna find that QuadRO. I get topology with a mesh point connected to mesh end, mesh point, mesh end, unit B and unit A. I can position the radio on the map as I want, and we're going to click Save Changes. Now let's click Ending Radio to get a detail about this. Click this blue line to get the details about the radio connection. I see around 25, 26 megabit per second uplink, and the download traffic generated through this radio by the iPerf running on the Ubuntu VM connected to the radio. My traffic is right here. Okay. For next thing I want to show you is the monitor purpose that I also use the IW monitor software, which comes with just a Docker container. Want to add the unit A and unit B, and we'll make a monitor. So let's go ahead and add the IP. Click associate. I see unit B and unit A. Click next. Click down. I click the table view. Here I have information about a monitor device in table format. You can click the more icon. Now I get a page detailed information about the device and its wireless link. Go to data analytics. Typing unit A, confirm that. And now I get the page with different parameters like latency, jitter, ISSI, TXIS, etc. Go to topology. When I first time open the topology from the IW monitor, I will to go through the quick topology wizard. I'll pick a fixed template and click next. Click now I don't have a background. Select this automatic. The page provides the same features as a quadrilateral. Next task will configure the fluidity configuration and moving vehicle simulation. So I configured these three IW9165E to work in fluidity mode. Unit A and Unit B from the previous one will be used, and Unit C here, which is in provisioning mode after factory reset. Let's now configure a new template. Let's duplicate the fixed template and we'll name it as my fluidity infrastructure. Click duplicate. Now we want to click it and go into this template, config, edit, go to wireless radio. In the row radio 1 row, let's pick fluidity. Gonna scroll down a little bit. Here, fluidity. We need to enable this. Pick infrastructure. Network type is flat. fluidity advanced. Want to enable fluidity advanced MPO. Enable that and save it. Go back to template. Make a copy again from my fixed, and we're going to name it my fluidity vehicle. Duplicate. Going to this template, configuration, edit. Still, we'll go to radio. Radio 1, we'll go to fluidity. Go down to fluidity, check, and we'll pick a vehicle. Automatic vehicle ID, want to say enabled. Never type is flat. Handoff logic is standard, and we want to enable primary pseudo wire enforcement. Is keep like disabled. All right, and what is next? Fluidity advanced, enable this. Proximity. Fluidity frequency scanning, enable that. MPO, enable. Save. Now, go to inventory. Oh, sorry, go to group, configuration group. Let's create a new group. Still pick the IWP 9165 EB. Group name, say my fluidity infrastructure. And for the template, we want to pick my fluidity infrastructure. Give a group name. Click next. Let's review this. Great. Now we'll have to create another one. You know, it's my fluidity vehicle. Let's pick my fluidity and vehicle. Great. We have fluidity infrastructure, fluidity vehicle. Go to inventory. Want to pick unit B first, and we're going to assign to the group. Always make your MP to associate new group first, then your ME later. This is the second step, this first step to assign new group. Okay. And we'll pick product ID. Let's pick my fluidity, say vehicle. Go next. Add to the group. we want to enable the net, save that, and go back to inventory. And we want to see you can assign unit B again. Okay, now unit B is assigned to my fluidity vehicle. Let's click this unit B's name. I'll go to configuration. Scroll down here, we should see the radios and fluidity here is vehicle role. We can go to inventory again, select the unit B again, more action, configuration. Sorry, we don't have to go in. Then that's download selected. Now we have a new configuration file. It's enabled with a fluidity, which is a vehicle. Okay, so this file we download and need to push to this unit B because it's offline right now. So we can log into it. We're gonna click the IW service, make sure it's offline, and we'll want to find this new file. Upload. So this will reboot and we're not able to access unit B until I apply the fluid connection configuration to radio A and C. So click apply. Let's select unit A and C, and we wanted to assign to the group. Let's pick a group. The template is going to be fluidity infrastructure. Click next. Add to the group. Click refresh. We're going to see the changes. My fluidity infrastructure. Now let's go to unit A. Configuration. Here's all my configurations, radios. Make sure it becomes fluidity infrastructure. Everything's in check. Let's push. Go to inventory, C, configuration, edit. Sorry, configuration. Wireless becomes fluidity. push. Let's go back to inventory. Let's go to Quadro of the unit A. I can see the unit A and C are displayed on the topology with the fluidity infrastructure. The icon here shows like this, a pose with posted with radio, right? And unit B is attached to the radio with better signal.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.